Hi guys, this is Roy of EngageBay. I'm here today to discuss about the fact that EngageBay supports multiple domains. So when we say it supports multiple domains, what does that exactly means? So I'm sure when you play around with EngageBay, you may have found this area here under the admin settings where you could see the domain that you're going to add to your account. Actually, that's not exactly what it means when it supports multiple domains. You must be imagining that there's multiple boxes here where you could type in your domain, but that's not the case. The domain here is actually just used to modify your own EngageBay platform URL. So as you could see, I placed here test2, then it made it into https colon double forward slash, then the domain that you place here .engagebay.com. That's about it. But when we talk about the fact that EngageBay is supporting multiple domains, it's deeper than that. Um, let's look at the structure of a landing page and understand it from there. It's actually more of the landing page being able to support multiple domain. If we're gonna look at the settings of a landing page, there's actually a section here. Um, there's a section here that's called tracking, and then there's the CNAME. As you can see, the tracking is actually made on each of the landing pages. So usually when you have a platform like this, there's a location where you could put in the tracking code in general. But in our case, we have it individually in each one. So say for example, you're creating this landing page for a specific business, then you could specifically put in the tracking code for that specific business or specific domain. If you want to make this the URL of this landing page unique, that it will embody a certain domain, then you could definitely do that by using the CNAME. But you have to follow the specific pattern of creating a CNAME. When you create a CNAME, it's always like this. It always a subdomain followed by the domain. So whatever the domain is. So, and you also have to define if it's HTTP or secured by SSL, HTTPS. When you do that, you could actually modify it individually. So this landing page, you could create this for, let's say your domain is called mydomain.com. You could put in here mydomain.com, then just make sure you add it to your CNAME. The next landing page that you're creating it for another domain. Let's say the other domain is yourdomain.com. Then you could put in yourdomain.com here as domain. Then you could just put in a unique subdomain here. So that, in essence, that's the way, um, that's the reason why we could say that EngageBay supports multiple domains. All of the landing page can be individually created for a certain domain, certain business. Tracking codes can be embedded on a specific landing page so that it one landing page could embody a certain business or a certain domain, then the other one can embody a certain another business with another set of tracking code. That's also the reason why we don't have a location where you could put in the tracking code in general, because one way or another that will make the fact that it could support multiple domain fail. In this way, we could support multiple domain. You could make unique URL for a specific domain and many domain. And that's the reason why EngageBay supports multiple domain and can continually do that in an unlimited manner. Once again, this is Roy of EngageBay. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.